Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be these beautiful paintings, and as you can see they are very pretty, vibrant and colorful. So let's jump to the first one, and these are really super easy. I'm just using Karin markers here, but if you don't have these, you can do the same steps by using watercolor as well. So that's totally optional. So first thing is here to draw a rough sketch of different petals I'm gonna place here and there, and in the middle I'm gonna draw a flamenco. So I'm just giving it a tropical kind of vibe to the painting, and then the background we're gonna cover it with black color, and lots of green I'm gonna use here to give it a nice tropical look to the painting. And this is so much Instagram worthy kind of paintings, and they look super cool. And it has, you can just make it on a canvas if you want to, or even if you're on a paper, if you're drawing, you can put it in your frame and hang it in your room. It just gives such a nice kind of vibrancy to the whole room. So just try this, guys, and do tell me which one did you like the most. Please enjoy the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, the paintings are done. I'm just giving it a last touches. I just wanted to make a kind of a sun there, but I don't want to be more highlighted, so just I'm trying to smudge it a little bit so that it just looks so a little bit hazy. So that's what the end result looks like, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And do tell me which one did you like the most, the first one or the second one. And do comment below guys if you want to see me making more of such kind of videos, and I'll come up with a new video next week. Thank you, bye bye.